Yeah. I don't know if I'm filming. Let's take a look. I am filming. Hello again. That's been a while. I think it's been like six months since last I talked to you guys. The last videos were a silent type video, but a lot of things have been going on in the background, and yeah, there might be some spoilers in the title already because it's a bit clickbaity. I know YouTube likes clickbait, so yeah. But indeed, I am moving to Finland very soon, like in a couple of weeks already when I'm recording this video. And yeah, it's not without reason. It's not just moving to Finland. It's because I'm actually gonna do something there. It is because I got accepted into the Outdoor Academy. It is a school in Finland that focuses on wilderness guide program, so Nordic Wildernis guide program that I'm gonna follow. It's a 2-year full-time course that I'm gonna follow. So the idea is that I will become an outdoor professional and can lead out people on expeditions, from big expeditions to very small expeditions to day trips and stuff like that. The course is in Swedish and it covers all sorts of stuff like climbing, how to survive in the extreme cold, backcountry skiing, survival, bushcraft, sea kayaking, whitewater rafting, like yeah, everything basically that an outdoor guide needs to know. Like I will probably learn about nature, about the wildlife, the plants, the trees, everything. And yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update where I've been the last few months. The last few months have been just actually preparing financially as well, because it's 2 years that I won't be able to like kind of work or have an income, so I need to have saved up a lot of money, and even that might be like, yeah, I did my calculations, but I'm not that good at math, so who knows. What I wanted to say is, if you want to follow me more closely, like of course I will be uploading videos again on YouTube in Finland, and those videos will be very cool. But if you want to have a bit more of a close-up experience or get more recent updates, I suggest you can follow me on my new Instagram page I made. Probably daily stories and some updates on how things go and expeditions I'm going on, and yeah, things I find interesting, things that bother me, everyday stuff really. So I suggest you just go there and hit follow. And yeah, again, sorry for not uploading, and thank you for sticking around if you're still here. And for the people that are new here, I warmly invite to subscribe and just liking the video. That's a big help to help the channel grow, and yeah, so do everything. There's a lot that I want to talk about, but I think I'm just gonna keep it very short video, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.